Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Dhanlakshmi. Where will you join for engineering?
Sir, I got free seat, sir.
Where did you get free seat?
I got SRK Engineering College, sir.
Which branch did they allot?
They allot CSM, sir.
What is CSE M?
Computer Machine Learning, sir.
Yeah, and will you join there?
No, sir. I didn't interest in
I
CSM.
don't have interest.
I don't have interest CSM, sir.
Yeah, what did you do?
I applied second counseling, sir.
Yeah, did you apply?
No, sir. I will apply, sir.
Okay, if they don't allow, what will you do?
I will join CSM, sir.
And how will you go there?
By bike, sir.
Okay, nice talking to you, Dhanlakshmi.
Thank you, sir.